Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair and golden starlight in your eyes of blue.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
Photographs and memories, Christmas cards you sent to me. All that I have are these to remember you. Memories that come at night take me to another time, back to a happier day when I called you mine. But we sure had a good time when we started way back when. Morning walks and bedroom talks, oh how I loved you then.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, even if I say I might, leave me now or never. Mamma mia, it's a game we play. My, doesn't mean forever. Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go.
Hi, Bot. Hi, everyone. I just want to greet you happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your party, and I wish you all the best and good health. I hope to see you next year. Unfortunately, sana nandyan din ako para to spend your birthday party. But anyways, I wish you all the best and good health and happy birthday. Okay? Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Bebot! Sayang, wala na naman kami. God bless you and stay healthy, okay? Ito, isa, oh. Happy birthday, Papa.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Have fun! Bye-bye!
Hello po, happy birthday po, Tita Ninang Bebot.
Happy birthday po!
Wishing you many more birthdays and praying for your good health and happiness and success for the entire family. Sana po nandyan po kami to celebrate with the family. Next time na lang po ulit. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday po! God bless
Enjoy po kayo lahat dyan. See you soon. Regards to Balbuena family, Tan family, and to the entire Diaz clan. Regards. Bye.
Bye!
Hi Tita Bebot, kamusta po kayo dyan? Happy 60th birthday po sa inyo. Miss ko na po lahat ng mga kamag-anakan natin sa Philippines. I hope you're all doing well. God bless and enjoy po.
Mami Bebot, happy birthday po. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo is more happiness and good health in life po. Lagi din po kayong mag-iingat and I'll see you very soon po. Love you! Happy birthday!
Hello po, Mami Bebot. Happy birthday po. Siguro po ngayon kayo ang pinakamasayang tao na nagse-celebrate ngayon ng birthday. Dahil sa munting sorpresa na magkakapatid nilakit para sa inyo. Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Sana po maraming birthday pa dumating sa buhay nyo. Salamat po sa pag-aalaga kay Phil. Ayun po. Enjoy nyo lang po tong gabi na to. Salamat. Happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi. Thank you.
Hello, people, and especially my Bebot. First of all, I want to say I love you and I miss you so much. Lahat kayo dyan. And I wish your good health and stay happy. And what else? Anyhow, ayokong pahabain to kasi I know kailangan may lang ang message. Baka ma-board sila. And then, ayan, nagayos ako ha. Kasi sabi mo, invited ako. Pero actually, may party ako nga atinan. So, timing, kapag ayos din ako. Pero, at the same time, attend ako ng birthday mo. So, so, ngayon, sana nandyan ako. Pero, one day, lahat tayo magkakasama. Pero, for now, marami pa akong goal na dapat tapusin. Ganun ka rin. So, I wish maging successful ang birthday mo. And good job, mga pamangkin ko. At, na-prepare niyo itong lahat para sa nanay niyo. And, I think, well, eto na ngayon ang ating generation. Tayo naman ngayon ang tumatanda. Marami ng wrinkles. Hindi na ganun kalakas. Pero, let's move on and let's do our best na maging healthy and masaya tayo. Yun na importante. Siyempre, finances, kailangang ingatan natin. But most of all, happy tayo and walang sakit. So, enjoy your party and one day, lahat tayo magkakasama. I love you and happy birthday. Mwah! And hug sa'yo. Bye! Enjoy!
Hey Mommy Bebot, happy birthday! I hope you're gonna enjoy your birthday today and with your family and friends. I wish you all the best, but I'm sorry, di talaga ako maka-attend ngayon ng birthday mo kasi ayaw akong payagan sa trabaho. But anyhow, alam ko naman mag-enjoy ka dahil maganda ang party mo, di ba? And I wish you all the best, good health, and more success in your life and in your Christian life. Happy birthday, Manay Bebot. I love you. And hello sa mga kapatid ko at mga pamangkin ko, pinsan, and mga aunties and friends. Okay, bye-bye because I have a party to attend right now. So, see you later, alligator. Bye-bye.